Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over deleting an application. I'm currently in the Inhouse Cloud app builder. I have my demo application. This application is currently deployed to the development and test environments. Now, if I wanted to delete this application, I could go ahead and undeploy the application in both environments first by simply going to the Merge Deployments tab and clicking on the undeploy button for both environments, or and then proceed to delete my application, or I could just delete my application and the system will undeploy the application for you. But it's always nice to undeploy first, just in case there's a mistake somewhere and you don't have a way to undeploy an application because it's already been deleted, right? So to delete an application, you simply just need to go into the app settings, scroll to the bottom. There is a delete app tab. Scroll down and there's a red delete app button. When you click on it, you get a prompt that basically asks you, hey, are you sure you want to delete your app? This cannot be reversed. By simply clicking on OK, your app will be deleted and it's gone forever. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.